Ever been told you can go to jail for not paying child support? Here's the case they don't want you to know about. Turner v. Rogers. Michael Turner, a father from South Carolina, owed child support to his ex, Rebecca Rogers. He didn't pay. Over the course of a few years, he was locked up 6 times for falling behind. On his 6th time, the court sentenced him to 12 months in jail. No lawyer was provided to him. No one asked whether he could actually afford to pay. No financial documents were reviewed. The court never examined if his failure to pay was willful or if he was just broke. And here's the key. This wasn't criminal court. It was civil contempt. That matters because under civil contempt, the court assumes you're choosing not to comply, and they use jail to force your hand. But if you actually can't pay, that punishment becomes unconstitutional. Turner challenged this. He took it all the way to the United States Supreme Court. In 2011, the court ruled, no, you don't have an automatic right to a public defender in civil contempt cases. But yes, the court still has to give you basic procedural protections before throwing you in jail. Those protections include clear notice that your ability to pay is the key issue, a meaningful opportunity to present your financial information, and a specific finding by the judge that you had the ability to pay and willfully refused. Without those steps, jailing someone for unpaid child support violates the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. Turner v. Rogers made it clear, people cannot be jailed for being poor. They can only be jailed when they have the means to pay and choose not to. But here's the part that still matters today. Many courts across the country don't follow this ruling closely. People are still being jailed without financial inquiries, without hearings, and without proper due process. Turner v. Rogers didn't end the system, it just exposed its cracks. And if you're a parent being dragged into court over support, you need to know this case, because knowing your rights might be the only thing standing between you and a jail cell.